Alright, welcome back everybody. So, in my first video, I gave you guys a quick tour of the Ranger current status, where it's at. So you guys get a sneak peek. I talked about the brake line and having to wrap it. So actually at work, I did some work and actually got a piece of heat resistant fabric off a power steering line that was replaced. Cut the line, took it off. I'll splice it, somehow make it so it'll wrap around the brake line. That way, I don't have to spend money on a whole roll of stuff I will not use at this time. Less clutter out of the garage. So, and I had started on the wiring in a previous episode. I actually got the wire loom I believe I'm going to use now for the rest of that. So I'm going to move the camera. We'll get back on the harness, get the rest of it loomed up to where I have a good stopping point. And yeah, that way that part of the harness will be done and ready to put back on. So I'm going to move the camera and we'll get at it. Alright guys, back on the harness. I've decided, I tried some 3/8 wire loom, was not happy with how tight it fit on the wiring. Way too snug, not very flexible. So I actually got some 1/2" wire loom. Should be able to make it look pretty good today. That way this part of the harness will be done. Couple things. Down here where I want to secure it to the block, I actually had a Rule King is where I actually got them. But they're rubber insulated clamps. And that way it won't move. If I want to slide on the wiring, that way I can secure it on the engine. Because I want to keep everything from moving around. I don't want something falling on exhaust, falling into some moving part and break a wire. So yeah, I'm going to start removing some of this masking tape and start getting it loomed up. Need to sharpen my knife again. Really need to sharpen my knife. All right. Just kicked the camera. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, got wire cutters. Slash tape cutters. Pull this tape off. Take this tape. Get that wrapped up. Just move down every few inches. I'll put some tape to keep all the wires together. A lot of this gets really monotonous. It's the same stuff over and over. But take your time. It'll look good when it's done. Got her taped. Take the loom. Twist it so the split is towards the junction so we can slide it right past. Okay, down here I'll do the same. I'll move it a little bit. That way the loom just goes over the other loom just slightly. Alright. I have loom on there. I am not going to tape this end here. I'm going to leave that alone for now. Being that if I have to go any farther with the wiring, I can just deal with that end. But down here, I'm going to do just like I did with the wiring. I'm going to wrap a couple around the wire, slide the slit of the loom over it, and secure it. We got 1, 2, slide the loom over, just like that. And I'm going to run a piece, just a couple loops around each side of the wiring there, and then probably one here in the middle. Again, I love the Scotch Super 33 electrical tape. Flexible, super sticky, kind of conforms to whatever you need it to conform to. Put that one there. There's that one there. Like I said, I'll put one, I'll probably put 2 here in the middle. We'll put a piece there and hold it together. So another piece over here. There we go. Minus these strands here, that's a complete harness for both O2 sensors, crank sensor, cam sensor, and starter solenoid. Like I said, I got rubber insulated clamp there. Might put one here depending on what I have on the front to secure to, and then this will be running up the side of the motor to jump in with the main harness. So and on a different topic, I showed you guys the fuse box and stuff. minus the wiring that's hanging out. That's what she looks like, all put together. You got 4 relays there, got enough for 8 fuses, more than enough for what I need. All this wiring will get trimmed, and even if I was able to, if I tuck it, I mean that's really small, and if I build something for it to sit on, yeah, I think that'll be pretty nice. And I'm still waiting on that package from Mouser Electronics with my terminals. So subscribe, comment, let me know how I'm doing, let me know what I need to do, what you guys want to see. If you guys are liking this stuff, if you guys, let me know what you guys like to see, and I will try to make videos that suit that. So thanks for watching.